Welcome to the post-RAG era, a time when AI systems don't just rely on their training data, but truly think with your data. This part of our AI Systems 2026 series explores how AI has moved beyond basic retrieval-augmented generation to deeply integrate and reason over your own knowledge. Let's dive in. In traditional retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, we bolted on external data via vector search to supplement a model's knowledge. It was revolutionary for grounding models in up-to-date or niche info, but it had limitations. Early RAG implementations often looked like a Frankenstein's monster. Frozen embeddings, a separate vector DB, and a black box generative model loosely stitched together. The result worked, but was brittle and far from optimal for production use. In 2026, contextual AI systems have moved beyond the bolt-on approach. Instead of treating retrieval as a last-minute add-on, we integrated deeply and train end-to-end. For example, RAG 2.0 approaches co-train the retriever and the language model as one system, aligned to your domain. This yields contextual language models that significantly outperform vanilla RAG pipelines, because the model has essentially learned how to use your data effectively. In practice, an AI assistant can internalize your knowledge base rather than treating it as external snippets, reasoning with facts from your documents more coherently and accurately. Another enabler of the post-RAG era is that today's models support much longer context windows. They can take in dozens of pages of text as context, reducing the need to retrieve tiny chunks constantly. However, simply throwing more data into the prompt isn't a silver bullet. How you construct and curate that context matters immensely. Engineers now emphasize context engineering, providing structured, deduplicated, relevant context so the model isn't overwhelmed. The takeaway: bigger context capacity helps, but only if you feed it quality context. New techniques are boosting retrieval accuracy. One is hybrid search, combining semantic vector similarity with exact keyword matching to ensure we catch relevant info. Another is using an AI to generate clarifying context before retrieval. For example, the AI itself might reformulate an ambiguous question to be more precise, then retrieve documents, which significantly reduces retrieval failures. These smarter retrieval pipelines help the model get the right information at the right time. A hallmark of the post-RAG era is AI systems thinking with your data in real time. Instead of answering solely from static training memory, an AI will seamlessly pull in your company's latest policy doc or a customer email chain as it forms a response. As one enterprise expert put it, your AI doesn't need to send an email or create a ticket, it needs to think with your data. In 2025, many enterprise ICE evolved from simple Q&A bots to deeply contextual advisors, combing internal wikis, CRM records, dashboards, etc., to give answers grounded in private data. In short, the AI acts less like a generic oracle and more like a knowledgeable team member with access to your knowledge bases. Let's see this in action. Imagine you ask an AI assistant, "What were our top customer pain points last quarter, and have we resolved them?" A vanilla model, with no context integration, might give generic advice or hand-wavy answers. But a post-RAG contextual AI will retrieve your actual support tickets, bug reports, and feedback logs from last quarter. It will identify the real pain points, say, delayed shipments and a login bug, then check their status in your project tracker. In other words, it researches the answer in your data, not just its training set. The contextual AI's answer might say, top pain points were delayed shipments, 125 reports, and login errors, 78 reports. The shipping delays were resolved by October, and the login bug fix is in testing, slated for the next release. It cites specifics from your data, numbers of reports, dates issues were resolved, giving you a grounded and up-to-date response. This is far more useful than a generic answer. That kind of specific, data-backed response is exactly what contextual AI systems began delivering in 2026. In summary, the post-RAG era is defined by deep integration of knowledge into AI. Systems are built to seamlessly use external data, via improved retrieval, massive context windows, or even new training paradigms that blend in domain data. They're becoming extensions of your knowledge repositories. For leaders and engineers, mastering this means learning how to feed the AI the right data and context, how to maintain and curate those knowledge sources, and perhaps fine-tuning or training models end-to-end for your domain. The payoff is huge. Far fewer hallucinations, and far more relevant, trustworthy answers that truly reflect what you, or your organization, know. In the post-RAG world, an AI that thinks with your data becomes a powerful, reliable advisor rather than a guesser. Alright, that wraps up part 1 of our AI Systems 2026 series. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this gave you a clearer picture of where AI systems are heading beyond basic RAG. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep making content like this. In our next tutorial, we'll dive into AI Agents 2.0, discussing how agents are moving beyond single tasks and starting to run entire workflows autonomously, what that actually means in practice, and where it makes sense to use them, and where it doesn't. And on that note, I'll see you in the next one.